Hi guys, welcome to Be Cozy Studio. Larissa is here. Today I will show you how to connect two balls of super chunky merino wool. This beautiful cloud color you can find in our store becozy.net. As I mentioned many times before, one way is to just make a simple knot, but there is another way. It's a little bit advanced, but pretty doable. And then you will have connected wool like that. You will not really see that it was connected. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so we have two balls of super chunky merino wool in cloud color. You can find it on our website becozy.net. And you need to take both ends, leave about 10-12 inches on each, and then you will need to make the ends of both tails a little bit not as thick, thinner. So what you do, you will pull some of the wool and make it a little bit thinner and not even on the edge, and then you will do the same with the other one. Just pull it easy like that. You can see both ends are this way now. Now I would suggest also to pull some of the wool from inside of that one that you will be connecting and make it a little bit thinner. Okay, on one, just one, and now it's much thinner. This one you kind of spread and you put this on the top of the thicker one. Then you roll it together like that, and then twist it, as merino wool is very easy to twist. When you twist it together, you can actually see how easy it connected, and now you have one long connected ball. I hope it will help you. Thank you.